The policy of taxation in the Philippines is governed chiefly by the Constitution of the Philippines and 3 Republic Act.
Constitution. Article 5, Section 28 of the Constitution state that the rule of taxation should be uniform and equitable, and that Congress shall evolve and progressive system of taxation.
National Law, National Internal Revenue Code, enacted as Republic Act 8424 or the Tax Reform Act 1997, and the subsequent law amending it. The law was most recently amended by Republic Act number 10963 or the Tax Reform for Acceleration and Inclusion Law, and local laws. Major sources of revenue for the local government units, LGUs, are the taxes collected by virtue of Republic Act 7160 or the Local Government Code of 1991, and those sourced from the proceeds collected by virtue of local ordinance. Taxes imposed at the national level are collected by Bureau of Internal Revenue BIR, while those imposed at the local level ay provincial, city, municipal, barangay are collected by a local treasurer office.
Pre-colonial period before 1521, the barangay system, tributes known as abuis were collected by local chieftains datus in the form of crops, livestock, or labor. Spanish period 1521-1898. Tribute 1565, a fixed tax was imposed on the Filipino natives and Chinese migrants. Bandala system 1600s as a system of forced sale of goods and produced to the government at low prices. Cedula Personal 1884, personal identification and residence tax replaced the tribute. American period 1898-1946. 1904, the International Revenue Law of 1904 established a centralized tax system. National International Review Code (NIRC) of 1939 formalized taxation in the Philippines, consolidating tax laws and administration. Japanese occupation 1942 to 1945. War taxes. Taxes were used to support the Japanese war efforts, often collected under juries. Post-war period 1946 to 1970s. 1946, the Philippine region independence and tax laws were revised to support nation building. 1950s, implementation of corporate and income tax laws to promote industrial growth. And 1977, major revisions to the NIRC under Presidential Decree 1158 during the Marcos regime. Modern era, 1980s presence. 1986, Comprehensive Tax Reform Program under the President Corazon Aquino aimed to simplify tax collection and administration. 1997, Tax Reform Act RA 8424 introduced significant changes, including reduced personal and corporate income taxes and the adoption of a value-added tax VAT system.
2017 Train Law, Tax Reform for Acceleration and Inclusion under President Duterte, lowered income taxes for individuals while increasing excise taxes on fuel, sugary drinks, and luxury vehicles. 2020, create Act Corporate Recovery and Tax Incentives for Enterprises. Reduce corporate income tax rates to help businesses recover from the COVID-19 pandemic.